Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Lenovo HD116 headphones to any iPhone. So to do this, you have to first of all find the power button. It's located right here, and right now we are going to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. So let's do this right now. Right now you can release that button, and after a few moments this indicator will start blinking blue and red. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so we can simply go to the settings. On our iPhone we have to go to the Bluetooth, then turn it on, and from other devices list we have to select our HD116 Lenovo headphones. So click on it once, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.